Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. And now we have to simply scroll down to the very bottom to find the option block numbers. If you cannot find it here, no worries, just tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner and then you will have the option block numbers. So let's simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block, and as you can see right here we've got this characteristic icon which means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to enter the blacklist we have to go back to the contact list, recents or favorites, it doesn't really matter. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here in this general list we have to tap on blocked numbers, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. As you can see, the previous option also worked. We can simply tap on add a phone number here also and enter the number manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. At the top we've got also the option unknown, and it means that we can block the calls from all unidentified callers. Just tap on this switcher to turn on this option. You can turn it off the same way, and if you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.